everyone, it's me, Code1996, and today we're here with the all-new Kenmore Intuition bagged upright vacuum. This is a brand new vacuum from Kenmore that has just recently been released. This weighs about 8 pounds and it's lift-away mode, and it has a quick release wand. It comes with 12 bags, which is like a 2-year supply of bags, which is insane. So we're gonna unbox this, assemble it, and give it a go and see how well this machine performs. When you first open your Kenmore, you'll be greeted by your owner's manual and your packing list, as well as your quick start guide with easy assembly instructions and easy operation instructions. Next we have the cleaning head right here, and as we can see on first glance, we have very nice non-marring wheels. We have metal brackets where we need it, and there's a really large opening tube right here that you can see for lots of airflow and large debris to be sucked through and not get stuck in this curvature part right here, which a lot of machines tends to be really narrow and it gets stuck right here. So you can see the locking mechanism right there is metal, which is really nice. There is a high quality brush seal right here, so you can see it's going to completely seal to the floor and prevent anything from being kicked back at your feet. Stiff brushes that are long and they're going to dig deep into the carpet. Has airflow channels in the front to allow airflow and for it to pick up larger debris from all sides of the machine. So this is going to clean pretty close up to the edge, which is really good design. You can see it does have a headlight, and it has swivel steering, and it's made for all floor types. So we can just recline that and pull back this. You can see right there it swivels just like that. Next we have our upholstery tool with a removable brush on it. So if you want to have just straight section, you can just use some straight section, whatever you need. And these are pretty soft brushes. They're a little bit stiff too, so it'll give you a little bit of agitation on the stairs or upholstery if needed. And they just slide right back on just like that. So they're really stiff to get on and off, so that's really good, so it's not going to be sliding off as you're cleaning, which I've had quite a few machines do, which is really annoying. So I like how this is really snug fit. Next we have our turbo nozzle, and with this machine I'm sure it's going to have more than enough airflow to spin this and create some really decent agitation. I like how the whole thing sits on the upholstery and it creates a suction and there's nice airflow, and it's really going to spin well. It has really stiff bristles on this, so it's really going to clean the stairs or the bedding or whatever you really need it to clean. Next we have our handle and hose. So let's take a look at this. So this feels like a nice quality hose. It's pretty long actually, so I really like that. This seems pretty decent quality. The handle is rubber coated and it's a really ergonomic comfort and grip. Really like that. It feels good in the hand, especially if you need it to use it like this for the stairs, or if you're just using it like this for regular vacuuming. Either or, it's really nice and comfortable on your hand. And there is suction control right here, so if you need to open it and allow some more airflow, if you want to clean your drapes or anything delicate, you can open it just as needed. Next we have the extension wand right here. You can see it has part of the hook on it. See, there's a metal screw right here, which is really decent quality. And right here there's a handle release button. Next we have the combination dusting brush, upholstery tool, and crevice tool. You just push this button and there is your crevice tool. You can pull it up and you can use it as an upholstery tool to get any pet hair or crumbs off of the couch if you need to. And you can also take it off, place it on, and use it as a dusting brush, just like that. And it has really nice soft bristles, which will do really good at dusting. So we'll definitely give this a go here around the house. We have the wide upholstery tool. This is a decent size upholstery tool that you can use on the mattresses or your stairs or your curtains. I will definitely be using this to vacuum the curtains. So next we have a pack of 6 bags, the Kenmore Intuition bags. They are HEPA media filtration, which capture 99.97% of particles, dust, pollen, bacteria, and more down to 0.3 microns. It's quick and easy to replace. You just pop it in, one button release to make it fall in the trash can. You don't have to worry about touching the dirt or anything. So this right here is your main filter for the machine, which makes bad vacuums so much better than bagless vacuums, because all the dirt is being contained mostly in the bag is the first stage of filtration. Then anything after that is just added. We then have some more bags for this Kenmore. They are still the HEPA media bags. They're just in a different packaging. I believe there is 6 more bags. It's a total of 12 bags that came with this Kenmore Intuition. So finally, the moment we have all been waiting for, to pull out the main unit of the Kenmore. So it's in this very pretty and shiny green color. It's so lightweight. Oh my gosh. I am in love with this already. I could carry this around the whole house and just dust everything. I cannot believe how light this is. Whoa. Okay, so it's very easy to assemble your Kenmore. All you have to do is take your main unit of your machine over here, place it right down on your cleaner head, just like that. It locks right into place. I'll show you again. You can just come up here and push the lift off button. It comes right off. You see this connection port right there. That connection port connects with this right here. So you're just going to take it and place it on your machine just like that. And it clicks right into place very easily. Then you're going to take your extension wand and you're going to place it right into here. You'll hear it click right into place. Next, you're going to come around here to the back end of your Kenmore. You're going to take your hose just like this with the hose release by your thumb in your right hand. You're going to place it right into the machine just like this until you hear this click. And now it is properly in your machine. Next, you're going to take your handle right up here and place it directly into the top of your machine. And now you have assembled your Kenmore Intuition bagged upright vacuum. Now all you have to do is take your tools and place them right on the back of the machine, just like this. So let's take a look inside real quick. So you can see right here, this is the bag compartment, and all you would have to do to drop the dust bag is pull this dust bag release button and the bag would fall right down into the trash can. So you can see it is prepped and ready to go. And we're going to be using this on this rug in the living room. It's only been approximately 2 days since I vacuumed, so it's not really that dirty. But with, 5 dogs around the house and 4 people, it does tend to get dirty pretty quickly. So we're gonna give this a go and see how well it performs. So you can see right here, we do have a bag fill level indicator. It will light up. So we're gonna hit the on button right here. Wow, it smells so clean when you first turn it on. The airflow of this is incredible. Wow. You can really feel the airflow underneath. That's a lot of airflow. Make sure the brush roll is on. You can see it says the bag is empty right now, and as the bag fills, it will let you know when you need to replace your bag. You can see it suck it in way before it even gets to it. Wow. Clean this carpet perfectly. Wow. This has so much airflow, it really lifts this pile of the carpet and gets out all that dirt. This is where the dog likes to lay, right here. And look, you can see it just lifts the pile right up. See, it swivels very easily. You just hear that airflow. It's super powerful. Lean right up against this right here. The air coming out smells so clean. Thanks to the HEPA bag and HEPA post motor filter. So this Kenmore Intuition bagged upright vacuum is a really powerful, lightweight vacuum, and it did a great job in picking up the hair and dirt that was on this carpet and lifting the pile of the carpet. As you can see, it removed all the hair and dirt that I can see from the floor. And overall, it is a really easy to use machine. So I hope you enjoyed this video with the brand new Kenmore Intuition bagged upright vacuum. Please let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.